Retirement or death of a partner. We all know that retirement or death of a partner also leads to reconstitution of a partnership firm when a partner retires or at the time of death of a partner. The old partnership deed comes to an end and new partnership deed come into existence. The accounting treatment is more or less same in case of death of a partner or in case of retirement of a partner. In both the cases, we need to calculate the sum due to the retiring partner and to the legal representatives in case of deceased partner. After adjusting the goodwill, revaluation of assets and liabilities, and transfer of accumulated profits and losses, calculating amount due to retiring or deceased partner. The sum that is due with the retiring partner or with the legal representative of the deceased partner includes credit amount of his capital account, credit balance of his current account, his share of reserves, his share of goodwill, his share in profit of revaluation of assets and liabilities, his share of updated profit, interest on capital till the date of death or retirement, salary or commission due. The following deductions are also required to be done from his account. Debit balance of his current account, his share of goodwill which is to be written off, his share of losses, loss due to revaluation of assets and liabilities, his drawings up to date of retirement or death.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.